wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gaming keycaps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, each of the 3 Max Keyboard Universal is translucent and comes with 124 keys, as well as 8 alternatives for versatility. The sets include blank and top-printed options, as well as a version featuring front-sided labeling. The characters are laser-edged, however they only come in one color, and they are on the expensive side. At number 9, the Max Keyboard Cherry Set come in packs of 9 that are designed for QWERTY setups. Each is blank and translucent to allow backlighting to filter through, but this unfortunately reveals their unattractive inner structure. There are 2 colors to pick from, but the specific row sizing is restrictive, and it only includes 1x1 keys. Coming in at number 8 in our list, several of the caps in the Corsair Performance have slanted surfaces for an ergonomic gaming experience. Each set comes with 2 W and D keys to specifically complement FPS or MOBA play. They have textured plastic tops, and the set comes with a key puller. However, it doesn't include arrow keys. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming keycaps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, finished with an electroplating process, the Red Dragon Double Shot has a mirror-like patina, making them highly reflective and easy to see. Each is crafted with a transparent injection layer that will convey backlighting without altering colors. The F key has a home row bump, and the pack includes directional arrows, but metallic red is the only color choice. Moving up our list to number 6, the FitLink Upgrade Kit is available in metallic hues of blue, silver, gold, and rose gold, as well as a rainbow option reminiscent of an oil slick. Designed for first-person shooters and multiplayer online battle arenas, only letter keys are included, with a heavily stylized font. These are made from stainless steel and backed by a 3-year warranty. However, each set comes with only 8 keys. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in 9 solid colored sets, as well as 1 two-tone pink and purple option, the Bossy Profile comes with 104 keys. This gives you the option of mixing and matching packs to customize your keyboard for a range of game styles. The translucent labels won't fade, and the set includes alternative enter keys, but they have no texturing for grip. At number 4, each key in the X Keys compatible comes with a riser, so it can fit on both mechanical and programmable keyboards snugly. This translucent option comes in 4 sizes, including tall, wide, and a 2x2 key, in addition to the standard 1x1. It's available in 7 colors, and it's easy to insert custom labels. It's a very affordable offering. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, each set of Big Chic Mechanical comes with 18 rubber-coated keys, including numbers 1 through 6, directional arrows, and a useful selection of letters. They're built to allow for backlighting too. They feature 3-dimensional diamond texturing and a stencil-style font. There are 11 colors to choose from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming keycaps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Razer Upgrade Set comes with 120 keys designed to replace most of the standard ones you find on mechanical US and UK keyboard layouts. Colors include classic black, mercury white, quartz pink, and Razer green. They're printed with a thin sans serif font and have a gritty textured surface. They also work with optical keyboards. And taking the top spot on our list, the HyperX Upgrade Kit includes replacements for the keys in the top left corner of standard mechanical keyboards. Each is coated for strength and textured with ridges to provide a slip-free typing experience. The letter keys can be backlit, and it comes with a removal tool. There are 2 bright colors to choose from. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming keycaps, or simply click beneath this video.